Wisconsin, Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin until 9:30 p.m. At 8:26 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Camp Aquilio Scout Camp to 6 miles southwest of Oakfield, moving east at 45 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Sheboygan, Fond du Lac, Plymouth, Sheboygan Falls, North Fond du Lac, Howard's Grove, Pittsburgh, Kohler, Cedar Grove, Campbellsport, Randon Lake, Rosendale, Elkhart Lake, Southern Lake Winnebago, Taycheedah, Ashford, Greenbush, Eden, Mount Calvary, and Cascade. People attending outdoor testing at Prevy and Plymouth and outdoor testing at St. Nicholas and Sheboygan should seek safe shelter immediately. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.